Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspirational Matters YouTube channel. Life is full of possibilities, dreams waiting to be chased, but often, financial worries cast a shadow over our aspirations, holding us back from the joy and freedom we deserve. That's where financial planning comes in. It's not about complicated spreadsheets or sacrificing all your fun. It's about taking control of your money so it can work for you, not against you. Imagine waking up each morning with peace of mind, knowing you have a plan to achieve your goals. Picture yourself free from debt, able to pursue your passions without financial limitations. This is the promise of financial happiness, a life where your money empowers you to live with purpose and fulfillment. This journey starts with a single step, the decision to take charge of your finances. It's about understanding that you have the power to shape your financial future and create a life you love. It won't happen overnight, but with each step you take, you'll move closer to the financial freedom you deserve. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative adventure? But before we start, please make sure to smash that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. And also, if you like my content, please hit the like button, comment, and share with your friends. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to unlocking your financial happiness. Before you can begin building a solid financial foundation, you need to understand the flow of money in your life. Think of it like a river. Money flows in from your income sources and out through your expenses. The key to financial health is to ensure that more money is flowing in than out. This is what we call positive cash flow. Start by tracking your income and expenses diligently. Write down every dollar that comes in and every dollar that goes out. You can use a simple notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Find a method that works for you and stick with it. This exercise might seem tedious at first, but it's the most crucial step in gaining control of your finances. Once you have a clear picture of where your money is going, you can identify areas where you can cut back and start directing more money towards your goals. Now that you have a handle on your cash flow, it's time to create a budget, a roadmap for your money. A budget isn't about restricting your spending, it's about making conscious choices about where you want your money to go. Start by listing your essential expenses: housing, food, transportation, utilities, and debt payments. Then allocate funds for your goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house, investing for retirement, or starting your own business. Remember to factor in some fun money. Life is meant to be enjoyed. The key is to find a balance between meeting your needs, pursuing your goals, and enjoying the present moment. If you like to have a copy of the budget template that you can use for your financial planning, please subscribe and comment below. We will upload the template for you. So please remember to write a comment as budget in the comments section below. Take a close look at your spending habits. You might be surprised by how much you can save with a few simple adjustments. Challenge yourself to find hidden savings in your budget. Can you negotiate a better rate on your car insurance? Are you using all the subscriptions you're paying for? Could you pack your lunch a few times a week instead of eating out? Small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about making smart choices that align with your financial goals. The power of saving, building a safety net. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. That's why it's crucial to have a financial safety net, an emergency fund that can cushion the blow of unexpected expenses. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible account. This fund will provide peace of mind, knowing that you can handle whatever life throws your way without derailing your financial progress. Start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually increase it as your budget allows. Remember, even small contributions add up over time. The investing for the future, growing your wealth. Saving is essential, but to truly grow your wealth, you need to put your money to work for you through investing. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by learning the basics and explore different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider working with a financial advisor who can help you create a personalized investment strategy based on your goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Be patient, stay disciplined, and watch your money grow over time. Prioritizing your spending, aligning with your values. Your money is a powerful tool that can help you live a more fulfilling life. By aligning your spending with your values, you can ensure that your money is supporting the things that truly matter to you. Take some time to reflect on what's most important to you. Is it spending time with loved ones, traveling the world, giving back to your community? Once you've identified your core values, look for ways to prioritize spending in those areas. For example, if family time is a top priority, consider allocating funds for regular family vacations or activities. If you're passionate about education, invest in your personal growth through books, courses, or workshops. Balancing today's joys with tomorrow's dreams. Financial planning is not about sacrificing all present enjoyment for a distant future. It's about finding a balance between living your best life today while securing your financial well-being for tomorrow. It's okay to indulge in small pleasures and experiences that bring you joy. The key is to do so consciously and within the boundaries of your budget. Remember, financial freedom is not about having an unlimited amount of money. It's about having the financial security and flexibility to make choices that align with your values and aspirations. Your journey to financial freedom. Congratulations on taking the first step towards financial happiness. Remember, this is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but with each obstacle you overcome, you'll gain valuable experience and grow closer to your goals. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's family, friends, or a financial advisor, who can cheer you on and provide guidance along the way. Now go out there and create the financially secure and fulfilling life you deserve. Investing basics. Now that you're on the path to financial freedom, it's time to take a closer look at investing. Understanding the fundamentals of investing is crucial for growing your wealth and securing your future. Start by learning about the different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Each type has its own level of risk and potential return, so it's important to understand how they fit into your overall strategy. Risk management is another key component. Diversifying your portfolio, spreading your investments across different asset classes, can help mitigate risk and improve your chances of achieving your financial goals. Think of it as not putting all your eggs in one basket. Finally, building a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial objectives is essential. This will not only help you manage risk, but also position you for long-term growth. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay committed to your financial journey. Congratulations on reaching this stage, and keep moving forward on your path to financial freedom. Mastering debt management. As you continue your journey to financial freedom, understanding how to manage and reduce debt effectively is crucial. Debt can be a significant barrier to achieving your financial goals, but with the right strategies, you can overcome it. First, take stock of all your debts, including loans and credit cards. List them out with their interest rates and minimum payments. This will give you a clear picture of what you owe and help you prioritize which debts to tackle first. One popular strategy is the debt snowball method. Start by paying off your smallest debts first while making minimum payments on the larger ones. This approach can give you quick wins and build momentum. Alternatively, the debt avalanche method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, which can save you more money in the long run. Avoid common debt traps such as high-interest payday loans and continuously rolling over credit card balances. Instead, consider consolidating your debts into a single, lower-interest loan or transferring high-interest credit card balances to a card with a lower rate. Remember, managing debt is not just about paying it off, but also about changing habits to prevent future debt. Stick to your budget, avoid unnecessary spending, and build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. By mastering debt management, you're taking a significant step towards financial stability and freedom. Keep pushing forward, and soon, you'll be able to focus more on growing your wealth and less on managing your debt. You've got this. Planning for retirement. As you continue to build a solid financial foundation, it's essential to think about your future and plan for retirement. Retirement planning is not just about saving money, it's about ensuring you have the financial means to enjoy your golden years comfortably. First, understand the importance of starting early. The sooner you begin saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Whether you're just starting your career or already well into it, it's never too late to start planning. Next, familiarize yourself with different types of retirement accounts. The most common options include 401k plans, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. Each has its own set of rules, benefits, and tax implications. For instance, 401k plans are often offered by employers and may include matching contributions, which is essentially free money. Traditional IRAs offer tax-deferred growth, while Roth IRAs provide tax-free growth. Calculating how much you need to save for retirement can seem daunting, but it's a crucial step. Consider factors such as your desired retirement age, expected lifestyle, and potential healthcare costs. A general rule of thumb is to aim for saving 10 to 15% of your income each year. Use retirement calculators available online to get a more personalized estimate. Don't forget to review and adjust your retirement plan regularly. Life changes, and so should your savings strategy. Keep an eye on your investments and make sure they align with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Finally, seek professional advice if needed. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of retirement planning. Remember, planning for retirement is about creating a secure and enjoyable future. By taking the right steps now, you're setting yourself up for financial freedom and peace of mind in the years to come. You've got this. Welcome to Tax Strategies. As you continue on your journey to financial freedom, understanding tax strategies can significantly enhance your financial well-being. By minimizing your tax liability, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Firstly, let's talk about deductions. Deductions reduce your taxable income, which in turn lowers the amount of tax you owe. Common deductions include mortgage interest, charitable donations, and medical expenses. Make sure you keep accurate records and receipts to maximize your deductions. Next up are tax credits. Unlike deductions, tax credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Some popular credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, and education credits like the American Opportunity Tax Credit. Be sure to check if you qualify for any of these credits to reduce your tax bill. Another powerful strategy is utilizing tax-advantaged accounts. Contributions to accounts like 401(k)s, traditional IRAs, and health savings accounts, HSAs, can reduce your taxable income. Additionally, Roth IRAs offer tax-free growth, which can be beneficial in the long run. Don't forget about capital gains tax strategies. Holding investments for more than a year typically results in lower tax rates compared to short-term gains. This can be a significant advantage for long-term investors. Finally, consider consulting with a tax professional. Tax laws are complex and ever-changing. A professional can help you navigate these complexities and ensure you're taking advantage of all available tax strategies. By understanding and implementing these tax strategies, you can minimize your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. Remember, effective tax planning is a crucial component of your overall financial strategy. You've got this. Welcome to Mastering Personal Finance Budgeting. A well-structured budget is the cornerstone of financial success. It provides a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you make informed decisions. Let's dive into how to create, track, and maintain a personal finance budget. First, gather all your financial information. This includes your income sources and expenses. Categorize your expenses into housing, transportation, food, and more. Don't forget irregular expenses like annual subscriptions or car maintenance. Create your budget by subtracting expenses from income. Track and monitor your spending regularly. Adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in your income or expenses. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. You've got this. If you'd like to have a copy of the budget template that you can use for your financial planning, please subscribe and comment below. We will upload the template for you. So please remember to write a comment as budget in the comment section below. Life is full of significant milestones, and each one brings unique financial challenges and opportunities. Financial planning for life events. Whether you're buying a home, starting a family, or funding education, having a solid financial plan can make all the difference. First up, buying a home. This is one of the most significant investments you'll ever make. Start by saving for a down payment early. Aim for at least 20% to avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI. Don't forget to budget for closing costs, which can range from 2% to 5% of the home's purchase price. Additionally, Keep an emergency fund in place to cover unexpected repairs and maintenance. Next, starting a family. Children bring joy, but they also come with expenses. Create a budget that includes costs for childcare, healthcare, and education. Consider opening a 529 plan to save for your child's college education. These plans offer tax advantages and can significantly ease the burden of future tuition costs. When it comes to funding education, whether for yourself or your children, planning is crucial. Scholarships, grants, and student loans are common funding sources, but don't overlook the importance of saving early. Again, 529 plans are a great tool, but also explore other savings options like Coverdell Education Savings Accounts, ESAs, and custodial accounts. Marriage and combining finances with a partner is another major life event. Open communication about financial goals and habits is key. Consider creating a joint budget and setting shared financial goals. It's also a good idea to maintain some individual accounts to ensure personal financial independence. Retirement planning shouldn't be overlooked even when focusing on these other life events. Contribute regularly to retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Finally, life is unpredictable, so always have a safety net. Maintain an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund can provide peace of mind and financial stability during life's unexpected moments. In summary, preparing for major life events with practical financial planning tips and strategies can help you navigate these milestones with confidence. Remember, each financial decision you make today paves the way for a secure and prosperous future. You've got this! Thank you for watching. As more videos are coming soon, please make sure to write your thoughts in the comments and please subscribe to our channel to support us. Thank you and see you in our next video.